What is a work environment? A work environment is the setting, social features, and physical condition in which you perform your works. These elements can impact feeling of well-being, workplace relationship, collaboration, efficacy, and employee health. Here are the significant aspects of a work environment. For example, physical environment. This element is made out of size, layout, and location of a workplace, whether work is conducted indoor or outdoor, the facility offered in the workplace, and the furnitures used while working. Second, company culture. This element refers to the way a company and its employee operates, including what effective communication look like between different levels of staff, employee, perspective of company leaders, the company's goals, and what the organization values. Third, working condition. These elements include the formal terms under which staff members are hired, such as the rate of pay, contract of employment, and length of the workday. It can also cover recreational activities and others initiatives to promote a healthy workplace. Sitting and workstation layout. Workstation and sitting is really important in our daily life. When we are working, we have to know it and to apply it. The arrangement of any indoors or outdoor workstation must be suitable for the workers and the works. In addition, the arrangement of any outdoor workstation must ensure that everyone at the workstation is unlikely to slip or fail. Enable anyone at the workstation to leave or be assisted in an emergency. So far as is reasonable, practicable, provide protection from adverse weather. Moreover, for any indoors or outdoor workstation where the work can or must be done sitting, a seat must be provided that is suitable for the worker and a suitable footstretch must be provided where necessary. The workstation should be arranged so that the worker is at a suitable height in relation to the work surface and so that tasks can be carried out safely and comfortably and efficiently. The workstation, including sitting and exit to the workstation, should be suitable for any special needs of the individual's workers, including workers with disability. And this is the pictures that I would like to share to you the correct way to sit.
Principle of ergonomics. Ergonomics workplace design has become an important issue in the many organizations. The ergonomic principle provides possibilities for optimizing tasks and considering factors in workplace design. The ergonomic principles are: first, retain any joints at neutral posture. Neutral posture are posture where the body is aligned and balanced while sitting or standing. In neutral posture, the muscles and ligaments which span the joint are stretched to the least possible extent. Neutral posture minimizes the stress applied to muscles, tendons, nerves, and bones. This position allows maximum control and force creation. Besides that, awkward posture is the reverse of neutral posture. This posture moves the body towards the extreme in range of motion. Awkward posture puts more stress on the musculoskeletal system and contribute to musculoskeletal disorder or MSD. Next, work in the comfort zone. The comfort zone, also known as the power zone, means to keep the work close to the body. If the work is too far from the body, the arms will be outstretched and the thumb bent over forwards. Working from the comfort zone guarantees appropriate height and reach this principle reduces MSD risk factors and allows more efficient and pain-free working activities. Next, avoid static load and allow for movement and stretching. The musculoskeletal system is designed for movement. Working for a long period in a static position will cause fatigue to the body. Alternate posture will help to avoid the static load cumulative effect. Periodic stretch break between work activities will improve blood circulation and restore energy. Next, reduce excessive force. There are guidance weight limits for both males and females. High force will increase the muscle's effort response. A job or task should be designed with this requirement of force, using proper mechanical aids, counterbalance system, adjustable height tables, power equipment, and ergonomic tools reduce both effort and muscle exertions. Next, reduce excessive motion and reach. A lot of work or tasks are repetitive in nature, which when combined with other risk factors such as expensive force and awkward posture can promote MSDs. A job is considered highly repetitive when the cycle time is 30 seconds or less. It is necessary to limit our body to forward and sideways reach to avoid having to bend over or to twist the trunk. Awkward motion and reach should be reduced where possible. Activities such as job enlargement, job rotation, and contractive stretch break helps to reduce this risk factor. Next, reduce contact stress. Contact stress results from continuous contact and rubbing between hard or sharp objects or surface and sensitive body tissue such as fingers, palms, thigh, and feet. This contact creates localized pressure in a small area which can affect blood, nerve function, or movement of tendons and muscles. Next, use transport accessories automation. There are a large number of accessories such as roller conveyors, conveyors belt, trolleys, and mobile raising platforms which eliminate or reduce manual handling. Automation helps to improve the working conditions and remove most MSD risk factors. According to ONEST 2015, reliability of automation determines the extent of the proper functioning the automated system the operator can rely on. Next, avoid excessive vibration. Recent studies show that regular and frequent exposure to extreme vibration can lead to adverse permanent health effects. Hand-arm vibration syndrome, Reynolds syndrome, carpal tunnel syndrome, and tendinitis among the types of injury that result. Next, provide adequate lighting. Different levels of lighting are required for different types of work. Poor lighting will affect workers' performance and levels of comfort. Team working space can cause eye fatigue and headache. At a computer workstation, the placement of the computer and controlling the screen glare or contrast will help to improve the user's levels of comfort. Next, avoid extreme temperatures and noise. Extreme temperatures can place physiological stress on the individual. The temperature in the workplace should be controlled at the appropriate level to maintain thermal comfort. The purpose of controlling noise is to prevent noise-induced hearing loss. A worker should be aware and consider whether noise might interfere with their safety in the workplace. In addition, exposure to a high level of noise can cause stress. Workers in an organization will achieve job satisfaction and enjoy better working conditions, while the organization will benefit from improved quality and productivity and increased profits via the implementation of ergonomic principle at the workplace. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Edi Mirza bin Mahdi. Number matric 08DKA21F1091. Now I will be present about the principle pertaining to sitting in the workstation. According to law, employers must ensure the safety and health as well as the welfare of persons at work and must minimize the risk in video work by making sure that workplaces are well designed. So the principle pertaining to sitting in the workstation is comfortable height and position. In a well-designed workstation, employee should be at comfortable height and position to complete the work. Employees should be back straight and close to the seat when using computer, and shoulder also be in an upright and straight position to prevent spinal problems and discomfort while working. Next is place feet firmly. By the ground, employee should be able to place their feet firmly on the ground or on an footrest, and the backrest of employee chair should support their lower back. Employees should be able to move the chair easily about the work area, and its base should have 5 points touching the floor. This will provide comfort to employees to do work and types on the computer. Next is make sure the computer screen is level with the eyes of employee. The computer screen should be directly in front of employee. For example, position the monitor so the first line of text on the screen is eye level. Monitor should be placed at arm's length distance 20 to 30 inches away. The employee neck should be neutral, with monitor directly ahead to prevent having to turn the neck, so can prevent employee neck to edge. So this is the principle pertaining to sitting in the workstation. This will avoid the employee from pain while working that caused by not following the correct sitting posture while working. Thank you.